I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by installing and importing the package so you can capture keys. Run pip install keyboard, then import keyboard at the top of your script. On Linux or Mac OS, make sure you run the Python process with appropriate privileges so the module can listen globally. On Windows, that's typically not needed. Once done, test a simple listener in the REPL to confirm import succeeded. This step gets you into an interactive loop where you can bind handlers and verify permissions immediately. Next, wire events to functions so your program responds to key activity. Define a handler that accepts an event and reads event. Name and event. Scan code to know exactly what fired. Use keyboard, on press key or keyboard. On release for single key bindings, and use keyboard. Add hotkey for combos like Ctrl plus Shift plus A to avoid manual state tracking. Make sure to avoid blocking work inside handlers. Offload heavy tasks to a thread or queue so the listener remains responsive. Then, use keyboard, wait, or an event loop to keep the script running. Finally, send synthetic input and tidy up. Use keyboard. Write to type text and keyboard. Send for specific keystrokes like Ctrl plus C. When finishing, call keyboard. Unhook all, so you remove handlers and avoid dangling listeners. This prevents unexpected behavior if you rerun the script. Make sure to test incrementally with small scripts and logging to confirm events and synthetic inputs behave as expected. If things go wrong, check permissions first and run a minimal listener to isolate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.